channel. It's me again, Jomao-as. And for today's video, ay nandito po kami ngayon sa Mondelos Nature Park. Kasama ko po ang aking asawa, si Angel, si Lovely at si Warren. So guys, first time kong makarating sa place na to.
Hello there! Welcome to Mondelos Nature Park. Mondelos Park is a nature park surrounded with beautiful trees and flowering plants, and is also surrounded with beautiful views from above. It is located at the top of the mountain of Balakson, Kawayan, Biliran Road to Balaring. If you don't know where this place is located only in Biliran Island on Region A. Biliran Island has many known and unknown beautiful places and tourist spots. And this Mondelos Nature Park is one of them. This place is perfect for relaxing, and of course, it is also perfect for vlogging, dating with your loved ones, family gathering, bonding with friends, and also for business meetings. They also have restaurant here, but of course, you can bring your own food if you want. Mondelos Nature Park has only 20 pesos entrance fee, but 0 parking fee. You can park your vehicle anywhere in front of this park. So what are you waiting for? Visit us here in Biliran Island and see how beautiful this place is.
Bayad ninyo sa ako, nagtutuan pa ko direct photograph. Guys, ano? Let's go hang. Video lang kayo. Kuhan mo na, slow mo na. Hi! Pag-hi po nyo eh. Short only.
Makikita mo ang kagandahan ng Pilipinas. Kita mo ang kagandahan ng Pilipinas.
Wow, nice view. So guys, first time kong makarating dito guys. So ang ganda ng view guys. Oh, look at the view. So, ayun na nga guys. Ang ganda ng view dito guys. Taga dito lang naman ako eh. Pero first time kong napadpad dito. Pero guys ha, 20 pesos lang ang entrance dito. Kaya sulit na sulit. Daddy, unsa may imong maingon nga nakaabot ka ning lugar?
Kuan, expectation.
So beautiful.
Expectation.
So nice. So careful. Careful to climb the mountain.
Ikaw, Jel, kapila ka naman nakangari.
Me.
Lose.
So, ibig sabihin, di day kalaagan kay tapad raman ni sa tong baryo to. So,
Dili lagan si Angel.
Wa ko kanhe,
Kaso,
pagkakato ko kugon,
ang-
nagpaktas me.
Ang mga nagyayat sa kanya mga rin, mga maot, mga di siya makuyog. Pero kung gwapo na, Angel, picture pa.
perfect.
Angel pa, marumaro pala sa kamaruan.
Para makainganin lang po.
Dili og diha. Dali ra ta kayo nya. To pa na. Oh.
Tara!